All right, to the Erector Spinae group. So when we're taping for Erector Spinae, as we can see the two long columns down here, we're probably looking at around that thoracolumbar area, where it's basically a cluster of trigger points. They do refer, obviously, down to the top of the iliac crest and even deep into the buttock itself. So these are the areas we're looking at. So we're going to run 2 strips of the 50 mil, and then we're going to use a big piece of the 100 mil here, the Big Daddy as we call it. Okay, so first thing, put your 2 tails down there. You need to anchor just basically over the iliac crest on both sides, as you can see there. We're going to get Cal to move into lumbar flexion, like so, bending forward as much as he can go without falling off the table. Pull our backing tape up once again, so 100, 40. Okay, so make sure you're cutting the length of your tape enough to go past that thoracolumbar area. Same again with the second strip. Same there. Okay, then obviously locating your trigger points, which you would have done already before. So there's the 12th rib. Okay, so we know we're in that vicinity of around about T12, L1, L2, and even T10. So there will be a rich cluster of trigger points in that area. Is that tender through there, Cal? Yep, okay. All right, so we're going to go right across here. So this time with the Big Daddy, obviously this is a bigger, thicker piece. Okay, best to put it up against your chest, roll 2 of the tails out, pull them back there. That's an art to be learned. Once again, 90%, 80, right across there. Okay, smooth off the most inner part at the spine first. Okay, run your cows out from there. Once again, 80-90% as I said. Now, if you wanted to and you had secondary issues down here at the L5 area, by all means, you can pop another strip down there. But most of the trigger points for your erector spines will be down in this cluster of area here. The erector spinae.
If you found this video useful and want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe below and don't forget to hit the notification bell.